Hey, what's up?
Hello.
My name's Jay.
I'm Allie. Where are you going?
This is my car, guys. Look, I'm driving my car. Last time I drove my car, it was when we went to Makokata Caves. So like 3-4 months ago, right?
Yeah.
It was when I was still working at McDonald's. So I was still working at McDonald's.
We haven't even been off work for 2 months. So. Hey, come on.
And I'm finally driving my car. Oh, I love this baby. I've been driving Allison's car to work, but now I'm driving my car. Also, so I want to do a vlog because I'm going to get a haircut. Look how long it is. What?
Can I show you my outfit of the day?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's get over it because I think that car's coming in.
No.
Okay, so guys, I'm wearing Birkenstocks with a Kate Spade purse. These were American Eagle jeans, and your girl took some scissors and made them shorts, and then a Levi shirt, and then that's all. And a block.
All right, my turn here. Hold it. So, down. So, these are Hurley's. I love these shorts because they have a zip-up pocket, and they're very slicky. I love it. I'm wearing, what do you call this?
Under Armour.
Under Armour shirt. I'm wearing Crocs, and yeah, that's my outfit. Let's go. Oh, yeah.
I thought they were like doing it. Yeah, I think you can see them view. I think they wanted to go straight, but they just turned.
Oh, is that a doggy? Oh. So right now we're at a rummage sale. Do you got cash?
Yes.
We're at a rummage sale. So yeah, we're gonna be looking around, see what we want. Then I want to get a haircut because look at this thing. Well, I've been wanting to grow it out. You can tell, look how long it is. But now at my job that I'm at right now, I detail cars, and every time I use like a blower, everything goes in my face and goes in my hair. It's just disgusting. So yeah.
Are you looking everywhere?
Yeah. Look at all this. It's like a big garage sale. Alright guys, we just got back from the rummage sale and we're gonna show you the shit we got. So you can show
I don't
me.
think it's shit. So the first thing, this was Clayton's find. It's brand new from TJ Maxx. There's a bath salt and a body scrub, and then it has like the holder.
Yeah, a cute little holder to use too. And that's only $2, so it's like $1 each plus a free holder. And we can put some cute things
and
in
it's
the
usually a lot
holder.
more, so I feel like that's pretty good. Heavy duty, like circular pans, and they're actually like they're kind of heavy themselves.
Yeah.
Like we bought one from Dollar Tree, and you can feel the difference.
Yeah, Dollar Tree's so light. I can like bend Dollar Tree ones. These are heavy duty. They're both 50 cents each. Allison got a backpack.
Then I got a purse backpack, which I might end up selling, but I mean these are pretty expensive.
You only got it for $1 anyway. So.
I was like, yeah, fuck it. It has a lot of pockets,
And
so
then,
I like that.
And then we got this for $2, and it just has random containers to put food in. Literally, we have like, I want to guess, like 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exactly 10 for $2. That's really good. Look at all these. These are all different kind of sizes, and we only have like 3 or 4 at home, so I'm glad we got a whole thing.
We got a lot.
All right, I'm getting a
That's all we
haircut. I'm getting a haircut now.
And we're going to go to the library and my bank today.
Hell no. Also, I bought a whole thing of these at Sam's Club, and I'm addicted to ice. We're going to Great Clip. All right, guys, this is my hair. I kind of feel like it's uneven right here. But I don't know, but Allison said it looks fine, because on this side, it's completely shaved. Also, I feel like that's weird.
Let me see
That right there is weird.
Yeah, that's your actual hair.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that looks weird, doesn't it? I'm probably going to shave a little bit.
Shave on that. I think you need to request someone not her next.
Yeah, I had an old lady. I've never seen her before.
Today was her first
No,
day.
because it is.
They said that.
Ah, really? I don't want to. Because look at that right there. Okay, should I go in or not? Because this is the time to go in. This too.
It closes soon, so yeah, I would go in if you really don't like it.
Why do I always have to get the fucking horrible people that do my hair?
Make sure you know what you want before you go back in.
Because that looks weird, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What other parts look bad?
I think just even that up.
Alright, guys, I'm back. I still have, like, uneven places. You see it? Is it uneven really bad? Oh, I'm gonna tell you a couple stories really quick they said. So the first story is I got this 2 times this week, guys. 2 times this week. No, I got it yesterday and I got it today. Cause so I work, with this guy, and he came up to me and he's like, so what's your nationality, and he's like, cause like, I would say you're Mexican. And I'm like, I really don't know. Like I got adopted. I don't know my parents, I was born in Romania, got adopted to America in Iowa. That's it. Maybe my birth papers, I don't know why they wouldn't tell me if my parents are white or Mexican or...
Yeah,
Shouldn't it say that on my papers?
I think so, but I don't think it did.
Huh, because I feel like it should. But, and today when I was getting my haircut, one of the guys who cleans, they came up to me and was like, what's your nationality? I get that a lot lately. I'm like, I really don't know. Like, I get that all the time. Last time I went somewhere and this guy who was Mexican was like, hey, what's up? And he's like, you're Mexican too? I'm like, no. I mean, I said no, but I'm like, well, I mean, I don't know. I could be Mexican. So I need to take a test. I just don't want to pay money for it. But I might have to. Only like $30 for like a swab or something, or is it a lot more?
The ones that Ashley got for my mom were like $100 each.
But at the same time, I really want to know what I am. Like, every time someone says that, it kind of just like makes me so sad that I don't know who I am. Like, I know I'm born in Romania, and that's so cool, but what am I? Like, just because I'm Romanian could still mean I'm white, could still mean I'm Mexican, could still mean I'm Asian, anything. I could be a little bit of anything, you know, and I really wish I knew. So I might need to take a test. Also, another thing is when the grandma was doing my hair, she was cutting my hair, she's like, did you get brain surgery? Because I got a big
scar.
I got a big scar.
Brain surgery.
And I was like, no, when I was a kid, I was playing at the play place and cut my head open, 38 staples
You
to the
should
head.
start telling people it was brain surgery.
Yeah. I mean, like, I put a robot brain. I have a robot brain in. It's pretty funny. You might be able to see it. Can you see it?
I can see it.
Yeah. But yeah, that's it. I got this is my second time I've been to Great Clips all the time because it's right next to my house. Second time, and I get coupons. That's the only reason. This is the second time I went to Great Clips and they had to redo my fucking hair.
I think it's the third time.
All right, guys. I don't know what else we're gonna do today, but I'm gonna bring
Library.
you. Oh, we're going to the library. Yay.
Can you sound more excited to go to the library, please?
Yay.
Yay.
I just hate my willow peak. I just hate how small they made it. You see it? They did cut it really short, didn't they? Compared to the hair on top. But maybe if I wear it down a little bit more, I might cover it. Oh well. Love you guys. See ya. We were at the library. Awesome. Alright guys, we're going to show you the books we got from the library. You want to go first? You got 3.
Alright, so the one that I'm reading right now is Quit Like a Millionaire. I'm on page 100 something. The second one is Get a Financial Life. And then the third one is Change Your Brain, Change Your Life. And I haven't read those two, just the Quit Like a Millionaire.
And this is mine. I haven't started it yet.
It's been almost a week and a half.
Because I hate reading, but like, social media success for every brand. Success. There's too many S's in that word for me. And I like it, you know, because my
You can't say you like it. You have never read
success. No, I don't. I'm gonna like it because my YouTube isn't popping, and it makes me sad. So maybe hopefully this will make my YouTube pop. I'll read through it. Look at baby June. Look at.
Oh my God, you're never.
Oh look, this is Twitter. Does that have YouTube somewhere? Oh, Facebook. I will like it. It's just like I have a full-time job now. Like, when do I really have time to read?
I read at night.
But at night is when I come home and I play my golf game. Guys, I'll put my golf game up here and I'll show you the game I play. I'm trying to make videos, and if you guys can help me in the comments by any kind of videos you're looking for, and like, you know, like, oh, hey, I'm looking for binding videos. Hey, I'm looking for Packer videos, like STP videos. I'm looking for more vlogs. I'm looking for this. I'm looking for challenges. That'd be pretty cool to help me out because I need help, you know. Also, if you made it this far, comment. What should they comment?
Bath time. Golf. Comment golf.
Yeah, comment golf.
And bath time.
No, maybe don't comment golf, put the golf emoji. Is there a golf emoji?
Yeah, there's a golf ball or a golf putt.
Yeah, put the golf emoji if you made it this far. And play golf with me. So yeah. Bye guys, love you guys.